Okay, so now another additional information before getting started. It's really important to understand how the layout, standard layout you will see during game. This is the desktop layout you are gonna see. And so as you can understand on the left side of the screen, you do have a very similar image of similar to the one we just saw. And I will go into details about this, but then on the right, you are gonna see on the upper right, the game itself, the real, let's say, game going on. And in the bottom part, you are gonna see actions sent by the algorithm, or let's say in some cases human, when playing against the opponent. So basically on the upper right, the game itself. On the lower right, you will see actions written in the console. Yeah, that's it. Now, the most important part is the layout. Let's focus on that for a moment. This is the very same scheme you already saw. So let's start from the agent. So here you see this is representing the agent on the left side. In this case, this is the description of the algorithm playing at the game. And in our case, this is a random algorithm. We will see it in action in a few minutes. So the algorithm is sending actions to the environment. What kind of actions? In our case, there will be move actions and attack actions. Now, how it is going to choose these actions is the intelligence embedded in the agent. If it's a random agent, you know, the actions will be sent randomly. Okay, so we will see the agent choosing randomly among the available actions. Now, once those actions are sent to the environment that is controlled by the computer, the environment will respond with a state and a reward. Now, the state, in our case, will be frames or frame. So the screen the agent will see, basically representing the state of the game, and some additional info. These additional info are useful, and you will get familiar with them in order to train the algorithm properly. This additional info will be the AI health, the agent health, the computer health, the side of both AI and computer, meaning that if the charter of the AI is on the left or on the right, the stage when competing against the computer, the stage, if it is the first stage, second stage, and so on, the AI character, and previous actions sent to the environment. These are useful, especially if you are gonna use combos. Now, this is all about the state. Now you see, this is something that needs to be sent to the algorithm, that the algorithm will use to decide what actions to take. Based on the state, it will choose the action to send to the environment, to be sent to the environment. Now here you will see the reward. Reward, both the immediate reward, meaning in that specific frame, the reward sent to the agent, and the cumulative reward. That is the reward growing in time. Growing in the sense increasing or decreasing, maybe, if you got a negative reward. Now, the games that we are gonna see for now are all the so-called zero-sum games, meaning that if the player on the left receives a positive reward, the player on the right will receive a negative reward of the same amount. So they build up to zero, as you can see here. In a given state, the cumulative reward of the random agent equals 0.65. The cumulative reward of the com agent is equal to minus 0.65. Okay, so this is it. Basically, this is what you will see, and now you have all the information useful to understand what you will see in, coming next.